it's Jen here with the Flowering Farmhouse, and today I am out in our zinnia field, and I wanted to just show you a quick couple tips to help you harvest your zinnias. Right now I am with our Oklahoma series. These are Oklahoma salmon. This is one of my absolute favorite zinnia varieties, a must grow. And so I want to show you how to know when it's ready to harvest your zinnias. And it's really simple. It's called the wiggle test. So let's do the wiggle test here. If I just come around, if I give this a little wiggle, you see how that's moving from side to side? This one is not ready to harvest yet. I want a nice firm stem. So over here, this one still needs a little bit more time. Right here, that's what we're looking for. There is no movement in the stem. So this one is ready to harvest. So to harvest this, what I want to do to encourage more growth on the plant is I'm going to come down here to where the set of leaves are, and there's not already new growth starting. So there's just a leaf. I'm going to cut right here. Yes, I know that there's powdery mildew. By cutting at that node, I'm going to encourage new, longer branches to come up. To strip this with the leaves, especially since there's powdery mildew on it, I'm going to hold the flower away from me. I'm going to put my hands around the leaves and I'm going to pull it back towards me. And then where there's the stems, I'm going to cut these stems off. And then again, I'm going to just pull these leaves off right here. And I've got this beautiful flower. Let me harvest one more here. So again, I'm just going to strip the leaves really quickly. So this goes very fast out in the field. And then I'm going to take these ones off. And now I've got these two beautiful salmon zinnias. When you harvest them, it's super important that you handle them by the stems, or you can harvest or handle them underneath the flower. You do not want to put your fingers on top of the flower, as that will damage the petals and make them turn brown faster. So for longest vase life with your zinnias, make sure you either grab by the stem or underneath the petals, but don't ever touch the tops of your zinnia flowers. I hope those gardening tips are helpful. Be sure to follow the Flowering Farmhouse for more home and garden tips and advice. Happy gardening!